In this video, we're going to break down what the Lear Capital silver price really is, why it changes every day, and how you can use it to understand what you're actually paying when you buy physical silver. By the end, you'll be able to look at that price and know exactly what it means instead of just seeing it as a random number on a screen. But before we start with the video, remember to go to vanstarmining.com/LearKit to get the official Lear Capital Gold and Silver IRA Starter Kit, plus a limited time offer that isn't shown on their homepage that can be of interest for you. The Lear Capital silver price is the price you see when you're buying or selling physical silver through Lear Capital. This is not exactly the same as the global spot price you might see on financial news sites. The spot price is the raw market price of silver on the world commodities market, while the Lear Capital silver price is the real-world price that includes everything needed to actually deliver physical silver to you. That means it factors in things like dealer premiums, handling, storage, and market demand. So when you see the Lear Capital silver price on their website, you're looking at what it actually costs to own real silver, not just the paper market price. This is why the Lear Capital price is usually a little higher than the basic spot price you see quoted elsewhere. The Lear Capital silver price changes every single day because it follows what's happening in the global silver market. Silver is traded worldwide, and its price moves constantly based on supply and demand, economic news, inflation, interest rates, and even how strong or weak the US dollar is. When there's more demand for silver, like during times of economic uncertainty, the price usually goes up. When demand slows down or the dollar gets stronger, silver prices can come down. On top of that, Lear Capital also adjusts its own premium based on availability, shipping costs, and how much silver people are buying or selling at that moment. All of this is why you might see the silver price move up or down from one day to the next. When you look at the Lear Capital silver price, the most important thing to understand is that this is the number that affects how much you will actually pay out of pocket for physical silver. So instead of just checking it out of curiosity, you can use it as a tool to plan your purchase. For example, if the Lear Capital silver price is $74 per ounce and you want to buy 10 ounces, your total cost would be around $740, plus any additional fees that may apply. This helps you quickly estimate how much money you need and how much silver you can afford at today's prices. You can also compare today's price to what it was last week or last month to see if silver is trending up or down. That way, you're not just reacting to a single number, but you're starting to see the bigger picture of where the silver market is going. One more helpful way to look at the Lear Capital silver price is to compare it with other precious metals, especially gold and platinum. Many investors watch the silver to gold ratio, which shows how many ounces of silver it takes to equal the value of 1 ounce of gold. When silver is cheap compared to gold, some people see that as a potential buying opportunity. So whenever you check the Lear Capital silver price, remember that it's more than just a daily number. It reflects what's happening in the global market, what it really costs to own physical silver, and how demand is changing over time. If you understand how to read it, that single number can give you a much clearer picture of the precious metals market and help you make more informed decisions. I hope this video was helpful. And don't forget to go to vanstarmining.com/LearKit to get the official Lear Capital Gold and Silver IRA Starter Kit, plus a limited time offer that isn't shown on their homepage that can be very interesting for you.